Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman, and I'm an attorney with Goldman Associates. And today I'd like to address an issue which a lot of people ask me, and it's odd to ask that to the lawyer that you're talking to. You'll understand why in a minute. The issue is, how do I find a great lawyer? Imagine asking that to a person who is a lawyer. But people want to know. People want to know what's the best kind of lawyer for me. And I'll tell you, it seems like an odd question, but there's a very real answer to it. Because I've learned something over the years. And what I've learned is lawyers tend to represent people who are like them, and vice versa. Clients tend to gravitate toward lawyers that they identify with. So invariably, if I get a divorce and the other side is just a wonderful guy who's very, very pleasant, and they just can't get along, so they're getting a divorce, ultimately, some lawyer is going to call me up, and I'll bet you 9 times out of 10, the lawyer is going to be just as pleasant. He's going to be a very, nice individual. He's going to be not overly aggressive, inappropriately so. He's going to do what he says he's going to do. He's going to live up to his word. Whereas on the flip side, if you get a client who's a liar and he's a drug addict, he's an alcoholic, he's not reliable, he's sort of a very marginal person, odds are the kind of lawyer that guy's going to hire, he's going to be a marginal guy too. And so you're going to see that people tend to hire lawyers that they identify with. So therefore, use that theme to pick your lawyer. And here is the best advice that I can give you. As it relates to this, find a lawyer whose vision of the case is the same as yours. Find someone who sees things ending up the way you want to see them end up, okay? So if you want to see that, and when it's all over, that you still have a decent relationship, a working relationship with your ex, then find a lawyer who has that as the same goal. Don't find somebody who's going to alienate everybody and create a situation where your ex now hates you for the rest of your life, because that's inconsistent with your goal. Try to determine exactly what your vision is, not only for the divorce, but for your post-divorce life, as it relates to your spouse, as it relates to your children. And if you can nail that down, then you want to find a lawyer who sees it the same way you do. Because if you're both working to the same goal, you're likely to achieve it. And if you're one kind of person, and you hire a lawyer who's got a completely different vision, a different kind of goal, guess what? You're not going to achieve what you want. So how do you find a great lawyer? You find one that has a vision of the case that's the same as yours. Here at Goldman Associates, we like to talk to our clients. We like to find out where they're headed with it. And you know what? Sometimes their vision is not the same as ours. And when it's not the same as ours, you know what we do? We tell them, you know what? We don't think we can help you. You made one bad match. You don't have to make another one. There's a lot of lawyers out there. Perhaps you should consider your options. In most cases, the people that are going to hire us, they're going to see things the same way we are. A lot of them defer to our vision of how things should look. And in most cases, that's what goes on. And really, that is probably one of the reasons why we enjoy such great rankings, because people appreciate our advice. They appreciate the direction we give them because we share the same ultimate vision that they have. If you have any questions about this, let us know. And we'll, of course, be glad to answer your questions and help you out.